If your Smeg Dishwasher is showing error E1, the most common meaning is that the anti-flood or Aquastop system has been activated. In simple words, the dishwasher has detected water where it should not be, usually in the base tray underneath the machine. When this happens, a small float switch can lift up and tell the dishwasher to stop filling. The machine may beep, flash lights, try to drain, or refuse to start a normal wash cycle. This is a safety feature. The dishwasher is trying to prevent a flood. So before doing anything, turn the dishwasher off and disconnect it from power. If you can reach the plug, unplug it. If it is hardwired, turn it off at the breaker. Then turn off the water supply. Do not keep restarting the dishwasher again and again while the error is active. If there is water in the base, the machine is warning you that something may be leaking. On some integrated Smeg dishwashers, the E1 warning may appear as a flashing light and a beeping sound instead of a clear digital display. The exact light pattern can vary by model, so it is always a good idea to check the model number and the user manual. Now, what actually causes E1? The first cause is water in the base tray. Even a small amount can be enough to raise the float switch. This water can come from a leak, from too much foam, from a loose hose, from a damaged seal, from a blocked drain problem, or from a small overflow. In the example you described, the front decorative door panel was removed from an integrated Smeg dishwasher. Then the lower cover was taken off. Inside, there was a small amount of water in the front well of the base. When the float was moved by hand, you could hear the Aquastop switch clicking. After the water was absorbed with kitchen roll and the area dried, the dishwasher started working again. That can happen. Drying the base tray may reset the float switch and clear the error. But here is the important point. Drying the base tray does not fix the cause of the water. It only clears the symptom. If the water entered the base because of a one-time spill, too much foam, or accidental overflow, the dishwasher may continue to work normally after drying. But if there is a real leak, error E1 will come back. The second possible cause is detergent foam. Using normal dish soap, too much dishwasher detergent, or the wrong cleaning product can create foam inside the dishwasher. Foam can escape past seals and enter the base tray. If this happens, you may see bubbles inside the tub or foam around the bottom of the door. If you suspect foam, remove as much foam as possible, run a rinse only when safe to do so, and make sure you are using proper dishwasher detergent, not hand dishwashing liquid. The third cause is a leaking door seal. Open the dishwasher and check the rubber gasket around the door. Look for food debris, grease, cracks, hard spots, folds, or areas where the seal has come loose. Clean the seal gently with a damp cloth. Do not use sharp tools. Also check that the lower spray arm can spin freely. If a spray arm is blocked, cracked, or hitting a large plate or pan, it can spray water directly toward the door seal and cause water to escape. The fourth possible cause is a blocked filter or drain issue. If the filter is clogged, water may not circulate or drain correctly. Remove the lower basket, take out the filter, and clean it thoroughly under running water. Check the sump area for broken glass, labels, food debris, bones, or small objects. Use gloves because sharp pieces can hide near the drain pump area. If the drain hose is kinked, crushed, or blocked, the dishwasher may not empty properly. That can contribute to overflow or water ending up where it should not be. The fifth cause is a leaking internal hose, pump, or seal. Inside the base of the dishwasher, there are hoses, clamps, the drain pump, the circulation pump, the sump, the water inlet system, and other parts. A small leak from one of these areas can drip into the base tray and trigger the Aquastop float. This type of leak may not show water on the kitchen floor, The dishwasher can look dry outside while the base tray underneath has enough water to activate the float. The sixth cause is a problem with the Aquastop hose or water inlet system. Some Smeg models have an Aquastop safety device on the inlet hose. If the hose or safety valve detects a leak or fails, the dishwasher may stop taking in water and show an error. Do not bypass this system. It is there to prevent flooding. Now let's talk about what you can safely do. First, disconnect power and turn off the water. Second, check for water on the kitchen floor or under the dishwasher. Third, open the dishwasher and check for foam, blocked filters, or obvious debris. Fourth, inspect the door seal and spray arms. Fifth, check that the drain hose is not kinked or crushed. Sixth, if you can access the base tray safely without touching electrical parts, you may dry visible water with towels or absorbent paper. If you hear the float switch clicking when the float moves, that tells you the anti-flood switch is likely reacting to the water in the base. Once the base is dry, the dishwasher may start again. But do not treat this as a complete repair until you know why the water was there. Run a short test cycle and watch carefully. Look underneath and around the front of the machine for leaks. Listen for unusual pump noises. Check whether the error returns during filling, washing, heating, or draining. The timing can help identify the cause. If E1 returns, stop using the dishwasher. Leave the water supply turned off and call Smeg support or a qualified appliance technician. There are also things you should not do. Do not bypass the float switch. Do not disconnect the Aquastop safety system. Do not run the dishwasher with covers removed if electrical parts are exposed. Do not keep resetting it if water keeps collecting in the base. Do not assume the problem is fixed just because the error disappears after drying. Some people tilt the dishwasher to drain the water from the base. This can temporarily clear the error, but it can also spill water onto the floor, damage cabinets, strain hoses, or hide the real leak. If you do tilt the machine, it must be disconnected from power and water first, and you should still find the source of the leak afterward. The safest approach is to understand E1 as a warning. The dishwasher is saying, I have detected water in the safety tray, or the anti-flood system has been triggered. The real cause may be a leak, foam, blocked filter, poor draining, door seal problem, spray arm issue, hose leak, pump seal leak, inlet valve problem, or Aquastop fault. So the basic troubleshooting order is this: turn off power, turn off the water supply, check for visible leaks, check for foam, clean the filter, inspect the door seal, check the spray arms, check the drain hose, dry any safe to access water in the base tray. Test the machine carefully. If the error comes back, call a technician. The short version is this: error E1 on a Smeg dishwasher usually means the Aquastop or anti-flood system has been activated. In many cases, a small amount of water in the base tray lifts the float switch and stops the dishwasher. Drying the base can clear the warning, but it does not automatically fix the cause. If the error returns, the dishwasher has a leak or water control problem that needs proper diagnosis.